Adjustment of parameters. The default value of starchup is not applicable to every customer. Each person's skin type, thickness, position and depth of red blood are different, so there is no fixed value. And the empirical value can lie between it according to each operation of the majority of uses for reference. There are three parameters entitled power, pulse width, and frequency. The first parameter is power, 6 to 12 watts for the face and 8 to 15 watts for the limbs. During treatment, the power is adjusted from 6 watts. The pulse width is 30 milliseconds. And the frequency is 2 Hz. If the blood filament is not moved, it indicates that the parameters are inappropriate. Return to the standby mode and click the power increase button twice to increase the power to 6.6. If not your best parameter, add a little more to about 7.2. The general empirical values to maximum increased to about 13 watts. Some at blood filaments can be removed with 6 or 7 watts, and some at 12 watts. It needs a little patience to adjust. The second parameter is the pulse width, usually 30 to 50 milliseconds. Over 50 is a sit blister and painful. It can also be fixed for 30 ms during parameter adjust. It meant only the power values increased without adjusting the pulse width value. The third parameter is frequency, usually 2 Hz. Frequency 2 is to a might light twice a second. If the frequency is fast, the moving speed will be fast. If the frequency is fast, but the handle move slowly. There will be burning and blistering. The light should be moved on. The distance between the laser point and the point is 1 mm, and few hold a blood wire will be knocked off. A read aiming indicator can be first G. Don't be too bright. If it is too bright, you can see the red blood clearly, which will affect head treatment. Use a feed fault 0.2 mm or 0.5 for the focusing ring. A larger number of focus rings is not recommended. When operating for customers for the first time, just try to make a few don't do it all over your face. Observe the recovery of the customer, make your paper file for the customer, and record the parameters of first trial on file. So totis parameter can directly see during the next formal treatment. The treatment of red blood filament can be too long. Red blood filament can lie be done on C and finish it in a few minutes. You can't finish view. Only fascia ton a time. If the blood filament area is large, it can be completed in 3 or 4 times. Start with the red blood filaments in theater circle. And then treat the blood filaments in the scan circle for an even each. The same at blood filament cannot be scanned repeatedly. If it is not removed, do it again next time. When finished, applies immediately. Be careful not to touch water or directly contact the skin with anisbug. It is recommended to share professionalis compressor to cool these compressed rough sterile gauze. These compressed I measured knob. Too long, about 5-15 minutes. Within 48 hours after treatment, ice compress can be carried to 4 minutes, and these moves and circles.